working title into cinematic with Filmora new titles and effects. In recent update, Filmora added some cool titles and effects, and in this video, we are going to show you how to use some of these titles and effects to make your video shine. Before we begin, visit to my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. Also remember to enable the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. First, we will import our audio into the timeline. Next, go to the stock media section. Inside the library, navigate to the Spring folder where you'll find a variety of relevant footage. You can also use your own clips if preferred. Additionally, you can explore the Spring Wise category to find more suitable videos. Now, import your selected clips into the timeline one by one. Once all clips are placed, start syncing them with the music. Identify the beats in the audio and cut the clips accordingly. This ensures that every time the beat changes, the visuals change as well, creating a dynamic and engaging flow. At this stage, your rough cut is ready, and you can see that the clips are changing perfectly in sync with the music beats. Next, move to the Filters section. Under the Spring category, choose any filter that complements your video. In this case, we'll use the bold green filter, as it provides a fresh spring vibe and works well across most clips. After that, go to the Text tab and select Titles. Inside the Spring category, you'll find newly launched title styles. Choose one that fits your video. For example, Spring Title 04, and place it on the timeline. Add another text layer if needed for subtitles, and adjust it according to your composition. Now, open the Transitions panel and apply 3D transitions to give your video a premium and modern look. After applying, reduce the transition duration to keep the flow smooth and fast-paced. Then add the Flip Frame 6 effect for an additional dynamic touch. Finally, go to the Seasonal Transitions section and apply Flower Style Transitions. These will enhance the overall theme and provide a smooth, visually appealing transition between clips. And that's it. Your video is now complete and ready.